Bless this our sister wey do this video for Mercy. God go bless you. Oh, my darling people, may we support Mercy, because this intimidation wey big people, big men are big women they like, make they put for poor people body, e not good again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, may you go subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video when I see just now, I really dey happy, like seriously. I really dey happy when I see say one woman come out say make all of us stand for Mercy. Mr. Abat, God go bless you. Mr. Arisi, God go bless you now. Ew, may we start for this innocent girl, because they see and say this girl not get anything. So they want use intimidation, like they'll come use money to fight this girl, so that this girl now not go fit talk or not go fit do anything. Swagalicious native doctor, why you dey wicked like this? Why you dey wicked? Why wickedness they run for your vein? Very evil man. Evil man, my darling people. I go put this video the way this our sister do. He go talk for Mercy platform, say he want make sure say he deal with this girl. He cassava wey dey with her, so that if you go bring another cassava now the cassava na dey fear you. Now the cassava na dey fear you. Swagalicious, that why you dey wicked? This must not be the first person where you don't talk say he try to force you for bed. As if say you be small pikin. Now everybody want rape you. Who you be? You be Michael Jackson? Abi you be Aro Kelly? Abi you be Michael Jackson brother? Me I know that. Who you be? Whether they said you, who you be? Eh? Abi mona stand for Mercy. The young world need to fight, because this will not be the first time where they put this allegation for people for people head. Make everybody stand for Mercy. May we stand for her. May we donate for her, because they want try make them, because they get no, you know, they buoyant now. She not get money now. They feel say they feel intimidate her. If you know say you be good citizen, you be better woman where you know say you get feelings for body. May you fight for Mercy. Fight for her. Something in me tell me say this girl, she is innocent. She is innocent. Money where they donate for this girl, they don't give this girl dime. 700,000 where they donate for this girl. They don't give her. They collect the money from this girl. Wicked people, wicked couple, fake human rights. What they do? God then go judge you now. Man, listen to this video where this our sister talk.
It's okay. Go and join them in the palace. So. Everybody, as you are writing, tag hashtag I stand with Mercy. Hashtag I stand with Mercy. Tag Mr. Abat Obaze, God will bless you. Mr. Harrison, what is his name? Harrison Guanuchu, God will bless you. What is his name? Hello, good afternoon, my people. Harrison Guanuchu, God will bless you for standing by that innocent girl. We say no to intimidation. Mercy, the Lord is your strength. This man have been doing it to everybody before, but this is going to be the last. It's going to be the last. Because nonsense are too much before. They say if dirty too much for soup, person wey blind go come dey see am. Let me share myself. It's just a quick video. Just a quick one. Gone are the days. Gone are the days. Wait, be say if we want go to CNN. If we not get money, we not fit go CNN. If we not get money, we not fit go ITV. Everybody have their small studio inside their house now. Everybody have their small EBS in their room. Everybody have their small CNN in their house. As far as you can be able to buy a smartphone and be using, this thing can help you in a little way. Where big men were using to intimidate us before, now it's no longer like that. If big men want to intimidate us now, if we have internet on our phone, then we can go live. We can go live on direct to show people with good hand that somebody is trying to intimidate me. Before they will try to collect the phone from you, viewers have already viewed the video. Then people would later trace the person to render help to that person. I am very happy. I am very happy. That is why Nigeria is trying to kick against social media. Africa is trying to kick against social media because they know it's helping the poor. Because they now know it's helping the poor people to speak. They don't like it. That is why they are saying social media have come to spoil our country. Social media have come to spoil our country. Is it true? Is it true, my people? No. Now they know that social media can help the poor ones to speak when they are trying to intimidate. That is why many people are trying to kick against it. Let me share. Please, people, join me. Join me. Let's do this small video here. Intimidating is when you will take a police along with you. You carry police follow body, you send a lawyer, 9-5 case. Now court, 9-5 case, can't give the girl. Then they later went on and be scattering the girl's room. They were scattering her room, checking all her belongings. Because she said you lie against her and she have a way of fighting for herself. And said, I know the truth. You are just trying to cover the truth. Because she said she knows the truth and she have the truth with her. We are trying to intimidate her. We say no to oppression. Mr. Goodluck, Swagalicious native daughter. If you know what is good, if you know what is good for you, call that girl behind camera and settle your differences. Don't tarnish your own image by yourself. Because you are not the only human rights in Nigeria. We have many human rights there which are fighting free and fair judgment. They will be there to fight for that innocent girl. They will be there to fight for Mercy Afisi. They will be there to fight for that single mother. They will be there to fight for that young divorcee. People are there. People are not blind. They are seeing what is happening. You are trying. You have been doing it before. You have done it before to a married woman in this our social media space, and everybody believed you that it was truth. Now is the time for that girl to say, no, this lie you are trying to say this time is not truth. I have the camera that detected you when you were trying to seduce me. You later come on the social media and trying to change it and said she was the one that was trying to seduce you. This is not the time the other woman, we were living with the other woman in the same house. Before the other person you accuse, you were living with that person in the same house. Of which nobody is going to deny for such person. Because you were there in that the same house with that woman. Everybody believe you. Yes, not true. He used body final. He used body final. Nah, this one not be like that. This one happened in a different location. Mrs. Mercy was not living with you in the same house. He said you came to our hotel to seduce her there. And she have a proof. You were the one that run out first. Mr. Goodluck. You were the one that provoked this incident. Why I said you were the one that provoked this incident? Because you were trying to paint her black for your wife. And nobody does that. You don't try to bring another woman down for your wife. Everybody is a woman. If you know you cannot stand for woman, you don't bring woman down for any woman. It's an error. That was the mistake you did, Mr. Goodluck. Maybe you will come across this my video, or maybe you will not come across it. No problem. People are watching it already. The little people that are watching it, please help me to share this video. Help me to share it. They say if they see too much for inside water, blind person go detect am. If they see too much for inside water, blind person go detect am with him mouth. He go come speak and say, it be like say stone dey inside this water. That is the thing you just did, Mr. Goodluck. because she bring she go video Mama Success poster. Instead of you to come out, come defend yourself, say, my dear, I want to give Mama Success the money now. Tell her to come and collect her money. You later grow anger. You begin the verse. You say, this girl want to tarnish my image. Let her wait for me. That was the same thing you did in Holland that went viral. You did the same thing in Holland, and that video went viral till today. That woman could not deny it. This one now, Mercy say she can deny it because she had proof. You are lying against her, and she said she can deny it. This is not the other woman you lie against. You were trying. The woman was putting leg on your body. She pull her shirt. You were trying to suck her breast. You were romancing her. You were romancing a married woman, and everybody believe you because of hatred. Till today, everybody are still tagging that woman to that line. You tag on her, and nobody fights you. It's God that just bring this girl now to punish you, Mr. Goodluck. If you don't know, you should know now. God bring a Afise Mercy to punish you, Mr. Goodluck, Mr. Swagalicious native daughter. God that bring